Hi, it's Rob Hall from RKH Business Advisory Services. Today we're doing a little bit of Q&A, questions we get from the internet, and we'll respond to them and see if we can help some people out. So here we go. I'm going to do some paraphrasing because some of these are long. My girlfriend runs a business. She sells product online. She does this through Shopify, PayPal, etc., etc. 66,000 sales, $3,000 left. Panicking because we didn't do good bookkeeping. We have to pay income tax, and I wasn't aware it'd be nearly 10,000. I'm looking for a recommendation on small business accounting. Okay, so small business accounting software is a great idea, but right now you've got a cash flow problem. And cash flow is probably the number one killer of businesses, so you got to get that fixed quick. And if it's taxes you're paying, interest and penalties can make a bad situation much worse, so let's get on the cash. So let's generate job one, cash for the tax man. So what can we do here? Just scroll down, look at the rest of the question. Things you can consider, maybe factor receivables if you've already got receivables but not paid. Offload your inventory is another one. Defer purchases. Dispose of assets could be another one. Try and get your clients to pay faster. Maybe get a loan. A lot of businesses don't survive the first year because of this. And when it comes to taxes, especially in Canada, it takes about 3 or 4 years to really get a full cadence of what your taxes are. By the time you have to pay your payroll tax and your personal tax and perhaps GST and PST as you go along. So tax planning is one of the important things. So 13-week cash flow model would help here as well. But job one, generate some cash. Everything from what we said, from factoring to loans to selling assets as quickly as you can. So there we go. No better lesson than the pain, so just hang in there. Sold their business before. We have somebody interested in family business, and before we formally meet, we want to have a number in mind. That's a great idea. At this point, we have no idea how to evaluate the company, but have hired a third-party accountant to do this for us. Anything can help here. Okay, so there's a great book out there by Thomas Deans called Every Family's Business. If you've got time, grab the book. So if you don't sell your company now, this is a great book for planning for the future to make sure you get maximum value and it's realized through the sale. Some more help. Accountants can help you get the valuation, and so can the business people who are certified in business investments. Remember that when it comes to deals, 2/3 of deals fail due to unrealistic prices by vendors. There's an emotional price. It's kind of pride in one's business, or I want to achieve this lifestyle, or it's the hearsay, my neighbor sold his business for X multiples. So it's really important that you get all the emotions aside and get a good valuation and determine if that's what you want to sell your company for or not. And if you don't. And if you do. And then call it a day. And if you're not going to do it right now, again, grab the book, Every Family's Business by Thomas Deans. That book will give you some great insights on how to maximize value. Guy wants to sell me his business. I've been working there for a while. He's in some kind of legal issues. Also, sales have been down. He's just trying to get out. I'm in over my head. Okay, let's pause right here. Time out. We're not talking about just taking over a business. We're talking about a turnaround. And a turnaround is a special skill that not everybody has. And working in a business doesn't mean it's running a business. So what you've got is a guy that's already having trouble with his business and he wants to get out, probably for some good reasons. And he wants to potentially sell it to you. I'm not sure I would do this. He's also mentioned there's some legal issues. So I first want to figure out what those legal issues are and how big they are, and then take it from there. But I would probably steer clear of something unless you've got experience in turning around business and you got some cash backing you. Okay, so those are a few Q&As. We've got a bunch more. We'll save them for another video. I don't want to take too much of your time. But if you do have a question, you can certainly reach out to me at rob.hall@rkhconsulting.ca, and we can potentially help you with your questions. So until next time, have a great day, have great business.